Hey code chasers, how are you? I hope you're fine and healthy. With that healthy vibe, we will start our video today. I am Adil Lakshmana Tiketi. Welcome to our channel Code Chasers. In our last video, we saw about the string slicing in Python. Okay, string slicing is one of the important part in whole Python course. I request you all to please go through string slicing if at all you miss. Okay, in this video, we will see about some string inbuilt methods that we can apply on a string. First of all, what is a method? As a beginner, it is okay to learn the basic definition of a method. That's it. Okay. In our later sessions, we will deal with methods in a detailed way. To avoid the confusion, I'll tell you what is a basic definition of a method. Okay. A method is a block of code which is targeting a specific purpose. If at all we go into a real world, I'm writing a program, okay, thousands and thousands lines of program, and in that thousands of lines of program, I feel that certain block of code is being repeated many times. That means certain block or certain logic I am performing repeatedly because I am in need of that operation. I am in need of that logic. So I've been writing it many times in my program. So instead of writing that logic many times in my program, we can write it in a separate block of code and we call that block of code as method. Okay. And we can call that method which will perform that particular logic, and if at all it want to return a result, it will return. If at all there is no scope of returning a result, it will not return. In a nutshell, a method is a block of code which is targeting for certain purpose. Okay. Methods will reduce the number of lines in a program. Okay. If at all I take an example, here this particular method, we are performing addition operation. Okay. This method is being written for a specific purpose of adding two numbers. Okay. So how we have to call this program, how we have to pass parameters to a program, that all you please ignore as of now. We'll discuss in detail in our further sessions. Okay. You just see that this method is being written to target a specific purpose. That purpose here is adding two numbers. Okay. Now, what is an inbuilt method? Generally, methods in Python are of two types. One is inbuilt method. Inbuilt method, and second one is user-defined method. Okay. So, what is inbuilt method? Inbuilt method is the methods which come along with the Python itself. That means we have already downloaded Python for our practice purpose or execution, right? So this inbuilt method comes along with that Python package itself. We don't need to define somewhere externally. Okay, we just have to call those inbuilt methods. The logic will be predefined in those inbuilt methods. We just have to call those inbuilt methods as per our need. Okay. And user-defined method. User-defined method is a method which is defined by user. For example, here sum of two numbers is a user-defined method. That means we are defining a method that is sum of two numbers and we are writing the logic manually. Okay. And we are calling this method wherever we need addition of two programs. Okay, this is called user-defined method. It didn't come along with the Python. We actually defined it externally. Okay, in the program. It didn't come along with the Python. So we call it as user-defined method. Okay, like this, we can broadly classify methods of two types, inbuilt method and user-defined methods. In strings, we can find many inbuilt methods that come along with Python. In those many inbuilt methods, we will discuss few methods among those in this video. Okay, upper method, what it will do, it will convert all lowercase characters in a string to uppercase. I'll take a string which is in lowercase, that is code chaser, and the first character of the string is uppercase. Starting from the second character, all the characters are in lowercase. Now we will see by applying upper method on string 2. Okay, I am printing the same. Okay, string 2 dot upper. Okay, I am just writing one simple print statement. I am executing. See, if at all we see the result, all the lowercase characters are being converted to uppercase characters, and the characters which is already in uppercase was not changed. The uppercase character was printed as it is, and the rest of the letters which are there in lowercase were being converted to uppercase. Okay, upper method in a nutshell converts all lowercase characters in a string to uppercase. Okay, now we will see the next method. Okay, the next method we have, it is title. Okay, title, what this title method will do, title method converts string into a title case. Whenever we are writing a document, whenever we are preparing a document, will make sure the title should be in certain format, right? So the title method will convert the string upon which we are performing title method to a title case. Okay, we will see by performing title method on a string 3. Okay, in string 3 I have written welcome to Code Chasers YouTube channel. Now I am applying title method on string 3. Okay, I am printing the result. I am just adding a print statement, and then I am applying title method on string 3. Okay, see, as per the title case, we have written a string welcome to Code Chasers YouTube channel, right? So in this strings we have first word as welcome, and the second word is to, and the third word is Code Chasers, fourth word is YouTube, and fifth word is channel. Okay, as per the title case, we expect the very first letter, the very first character of the word should be in uppercase. Okay, and my Python string inbuilt method, which is a title method, converted to the same that we were expecting, that is title case. Okay, title case is like we expect our title, the words in our title, to start with an uppercase letter. Okay, and here it is performing the same as we are expecting. Okay, now we will see swap case method. What is a swap case method? Swap case method will swap the cases. That means, suppose if at all I take an example of the string how are you. Okay, in how are you, H is in uppercase and OW are in lowercase. Okay, so now swapping the cases in that sense, uppercase characters will be converted to lowercase and the lowercase characters will be converted to uppercase. Okay, we will apply the same method, that is swap case, on string 4. Okay, and we will see string 4 dot swap case. Okay, and I am just writing a simple print statement. Okay, and if at all I execute this program, swap case method application. Okay, and the result is how are you. The same string has come, but cases of the characters in that string were swapped, I can say. That means uppercase characters were converted to lowercase characters, and the lowercase characters were being converted to uppercase characters. In this video, we saw 3 string inbuilt methods that we can apply on a string. Okay. There are also many other string inbuilt methods that we can apply on a string. Okay. But I want you to try this method lower on a string and let me know the result. What did you observe? Okay. By listening to the method name, you might be like guessing. This will perform an operation of converting uppercase to lowercase. If there are any uppercase letters in a string, it will convert them into a lowercase. If at all there are lowercase, it will not convert, it will print as it is. Okay. And like your guess is correct, it will perform the same operation that we are expecting. But I want you to try it on a string and let me know. Okay. So we'll conclude this video here. I just want to tell you one thing. There is like documentation which was well prepared by Python. Okay. I'll keep this link, the documentation link in the description. When you are free, you please go through it. Okay. This contains all string methods. That is all string inbuilt methods that we can apply on a string. This documentation was prepared by Python organization. Okay. In this documentation, you will find each and every point related to string methods. Okay. And in general, not keeping string methods aside, this python.org documentation will contain each and every point related to Python. That too, this documentation was prepared by Python organization itself. I request whenever you're free, you please go through this documentation. Thank you. One quick and important information. There are 3 courses running parallelly in our channel. Course 1, Python full course. Course 2, PySpark with Hadoop full course. These 2 courses are designed for beginners and they are designed in such a way that a person who doesn't have any knowledge in any coding language can also easily understand the content in this course. So please do follow if you are interested. And the 3rd course is Python interview preparation. This course is designed for those people who are preparing for Python based interviews. In this course, most frequently asked Python interview questions were taken and they have been answered with live coding sessions for each and every questions if needed. So if you like my work, please do subscribe to our channel and like the video and click on the bell icon to get notified about the updates of our channel. Thank you so much.